Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Sign into YouTube Studio and confirm your channel details like name, profile, and banner image. Open the Settings menu and set Upload Defaults for title, description, and visibility to save time. Enable two-step verification before enabling advanced features to protect your account. Turn on monetization if eligible and link your AdSense account for revenue collection. Upload a channel trailer to introduce your content and set featured sections to guide new viewers. Create consistent upload defaults and templates to automatically apply titles, tags, and end screens. Use the upload workflow to add chapters, custom thumbnails, and visibility settings before scheduling. Schedule uploads by choosing a publish date and time to match your audience analytics. Add end screens and cards that point to your most recent or highest performing videos. Use bulk edits in the Content tab to adjust monetization, visibility, and playlist assignments for many videos at once. Open the Analytics tab and monitor watch time, average view duration, and audience retention closely. Compare traffic sources and top-performing videos to decide which formats deserve more investment. Use the reach and engagement reports to identify which thumbnails and titles drive clicks and subscriptions. Respond to top comments each day and pin meaningful messages to build stronger viewer relationships. Use the Community tab to schedule posts, polls, and updates to keep subscribers engaged between uploads.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.